Hello, and welcome back to Ocugen Today. We're diving into the world of stock market investing, and specifically, we'll be talking about Ocugen Incorporated, ticker symbol OCGN. Background. Ocugen Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical company headquartered in Malvern, Pennsylvania. The company is focused on discovering, developing, and commercializing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases and developing a vaccine for COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccine. One of the most significant developments driving investor interest in Ocugen is its partnership with Barrett Biotech to co-develop and distribute covaxin, a COVID-19 vaccine. Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine, which means it uses killed virus particles to stimulate an immune response without causing disease. Recent updates. Recently, Ocugen has been making headlines due to its progress with covaxin. The company has submitted an emergency use authorization (EUA) request to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) for covaxin, which could potentially open up a significant market opportunity for Ocugen if approved. Investor sentiment. Investor sentiment around Ocugen has been mixed. On one hand, there's excitement about the potential of covaxin and the massive global demand for COVID-19 vaccines. On the other hand, there's uncertainty surrounding regulatory approval, competition from other vaccine manufacturers, and logistical challenges in distribution. Financial performance. It's important to note that Ocugen is a developmental stage company and has yet to generate significant revenue. As with any biotech company, there are inherent risks associated with investing, including clinical trial outcomes, regulatory approvals, and market adoption. Conclusion. In conclusion, Ocugen Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical company with a promising pipeline of gene therapies and a potential COVID-19 vaccine in covaxin. However, investors should proceed with caution and conduct thorough research before investing in OCGN shares, considering the risks associated with developmental stage biotech companies. Disclaimer. Remember, investing in stocks carries risks, and it's essential to do your own due diligence and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Feel free to customize and expand upon this script to fit your YouTube video format and style. Message chat.